Everyone, before ending this video, I quickly wanted to come here and remind you guys about this amazing India's #1 reselling app that's called as Meesho. Once you download the app, this is how the app looks like. They have upgraded the app and they have added more collection to it, and you can see once you go to the collection, you have like almost everything here, from jewelry, from kids section, home appliances and clothing also. So you can select whatever category you want to, and once you have reached the target, you can also get bonus of 5,000 to 6,000 every week. Then you also have that exchange and return policy. So they have this 7-day return policy as well. If you don't want any products, you can return it. Then once you like any category and once you feel your friends or family will like that catalog, you can share it through your WhatsApp like this. It will send all the details with the description of the product, and then you can come back to Meesho app and select the payment method. If your customers are willing to buy, just add their address and then you have to add the profit margin. So for example, if the total cost is 598 rupees plus shipping charges, you have to add the profit margin. Profit margin is the amount you are earning from the Meesho. So you can add how much ever you want to, from 100 to 200, and then you can place an order. So this is the great app for each and everyone who wanna earn money with zero investment. So don't miss this great opportunity.